Welcome to SuperConstruct. In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete account registration and onboarding process. First, open your web browser and go to superconstruct.io. Wait for the page to fully load. Once the page loads, click on the Register button. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Now, start by entering your email address. Then enter your first name and last name, followed by your mobile number. Create a password and confirm it carefully. Double-check all the information you have entered, and once everything looks correct, click on Create Account. Please note that the email address you entered during registration will automatically appear in your profile details page later. Once your account is created, you will be asked to complete your profile. You can upload a profile picture if you want, but this step is optional. Then, enter your personal information such as your first name, middle name if applicable, and last name. Some of these details may already be pre-filled based on your registration. Next, verify your email address. After verification, select your time zone and preferred language. Now, move on to entering your address details. You can start typing your address and select from suggestions, where you can enter it manually. Take your time to enter the correct details. Fill in the address line, city, state, zip or postal code, and country. After that, add your contact information. Enter your phone number, and, if needed, you can add additional numbers by clicking on the Add option. Next, proceed to the Company Information section. You can upload your company logo if available, but this is optional. Enter your company name, select the company type, and choose the currency. Then, enter your company address. Similar to before, you can either search for the address or enter it manually. Carefully fill in the address line, city, state or province, zip or postal code, and country. Now, provide the company contact information. Enter the company email address, phone numbers, and fax number if applicable. Some fields, like the email, may already be pre-filled based on your earlier inputs. Once all the details are filled in, take a moment to review everything. When you are ready, click on Continue. Finally, you will see the Terms and Conditions page. Carefully review the terms. Scroll slowly to the bottom of the Terms and Conditions section. Only after scrolling to the end will the Agreement checkbox be enabled. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Complete Onboarding. That's it. You have successfully completed the onboarding process and are now ready to start using SuperConstruct.